With more than 8 months, 220 days of this brutal genocide on Gaza City for the Palestinians. We are here suffering, especially in the center area of Gaza, Deir al-Balah, and every border is now closed. There is not any food items that coming from the borders. But we will not just stand and watch. Of course we will do something about this starvation. Inshallah, with me, Dima from Al Khidmat Association, I will help as much as I can from these families in these tents, inshallah, to provide them every day 1 meal, inshallah.
نشكر خدمة باكستان على هذا الطعام وجزاهم الله كل خير.